Hey, fifth period chemistry class, it's Miss Butler. Long time no see. So what you're doing this week is called stoichiometry. We're going to be calculating chemical quantities and reactions. So stoichiometry is Latin for element measure. It's kind of like giving you a chemistry recipe about how reactions happen and in what amounts. In a chemical reaction, stoichiometry tells you how much and in what proportion chemicals react. So stoichiometry is a combination of a lot of things that you've already done before. Writing and balancing equations, we've already done that. Calculating the mass, the molar mass of a compound, we've already done that. And dimensional analysis, these are all things that you've already done before, so I'm hoping this will be something that's familiar. So let's do an example. What you need to do stoichiometry is a balanced chemical equation, and I've got one right here. So this equation has ammonia reacting with oxygen to produce water and nitrogen monoxide. So these numbers in front, these coefficients, those are what you want to look at when you're doing some stoichiometry. You can say 4 moles of ammonia plus 5 moles of oxygen will give you 6 moles of water and 4 moles of nitrogen monoxide. What you're going to do this week is writing mole to mole ratios, and here's how you do it. First, you need a balanced chemical reaction equation, and I've already got that for you. To write a mole-to-mole ratio, they'll always tell you what to write on the left. So in this example, they want a ratio comparing moles of ammonia to water. So what you do is you look at the balanced chemical equation, and here is my answer. It's a 4:6 ratio because there's 4 ammonias. That will give you 6 moles of water. A 4:6 mole-to-mole ratio. You can simplify it like you would in math class if you want to, and say a 2:3 ratio, but either is fine. Here's another example. Same balanced reaction equation. Write a ratio comparing. All right, so here's what we're comparing now. They want us to compare moles of oxygen to moles of water. So I look at my coefficients. There are 5 moles of oxygen and then 6 moles of water produced. So it's a 5:6 mole-to-mole ratio. You're working on stoichiometry and mole-to-mole ratios this week.